Studies shed light on how brain cleans out toxins. A unique peek inside the human brain may help explain how it clears away waste like the kind that can build up and lead to Alzheimer's disease. Brain cells use a lot of nutrients, which means they make a lot of waste. Scientists have long thought the brain had special plumbing to flush out the cellular trash, especially during sleep. They could see it happening in mice, but there was only circumstantial evidence of a similar system in people. Now researchers have finally spotted the network of tiny waste clearing channels in the brains of living people, thanks to a special kind of imaging. I was skeptical, said Dr. J of Oregon Health and Science University, whose team reported the findings Monday. We needed this piece to say this happened in humans too. The study was published in the journal Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. The brain is remarkably active during sleep. One reason seems to be that's the time it does a deep clean, and that's gotten attention because while losing a good night's sleep murders people thinking chronic sleep deprivation also is considered a risk factor for dementia. So, how does the brain clean itself? Over a decade ago, scientists at the University of Rochester first reported finding a network they dubbed the lymphatic system. Cerebrospinal fluid uses channels surrounding blood vessels to get deep into tissue and move waste until it exits the brain. When mice were injected with a cheap Alzheimer's culprit named beta amyloid, it cleared away faster when the animals were sleeping. It's not clear exactly how that network works, although some research has shown the pulsing of the blood vessels helps move the waste-clearing fluid where it needed to go. But it's been hard to find that system in people. Regular MRI scans can spot some of those fluid-filled channels, but don't show their fluctuation, don't show their function, he said. Only the team in Oregon injected a tracer into 5 patients who were undergoing brain surgery and needed a more advanced form of MRI. The tracer lit up under those scans, and sure enough, 24 to 48 hours later, it wasn't moving randomly through the brain but via those channels, just like the prior research had found in mice. It's a small but potentially important study that Rochester's Dr. M predicted will increase interest in how brain waste clearance connects to people's health. But to test if better sleep or other treatments might really spur waste clearance and improve health, I have to be able to measure lymphatic function in people, added Dr. J of the University of Washington, who helped pioneer waste clearance research. The question is whether the new study might point to ways of measuring